If you are in a traditional insurance company, you need to compete in this landscape with insurtech startups, and you have a critical competitive advantage, which is customer loyalty. You have brand recognition, but what you often don't have is the nimbleness and the agility that people in insurtechs have to actually bring products to market very, very quickly. So the question then is, do you feel that you are able to innovate, to find out what these new product offerings and new ideas for operational efficiency improvements should look like quickly? Do you have ways to validate that quickly, to do that innovation? And will you be able to actually outperform the nimble insurtechs that will come to challenge you? The second thing that will happen is that new data sets will become available. There is a wealth of data out there. So I'm quite a keen cyclist, and all my performance data is on a site called Strava. And people can actually get access to that data in order to devise new offerings. So what this will mean is that insurers will need to form ecosystems with other partners to obtain data sets from these partners to then derive new risk models, to provide new offerings, and so on. And then finally, we've all heard about the consumerization of IT. People have very powerful computers in their pockets in the form of mobile phones. And people are used to using very slick applications on these mobile phones. And people now expect this, not just in insurance, but in finance more generally, and in utilities and in lots of other domains. So the consumer preferences are shifting. The consumer preferences are shifting as millennials become important buyers of your services. They live for here and now, and they don't necessarily want to think about taking a car insurance out and commit for a full year. So there are substantial shifts in consumer preference. So the model that was comfortable, that the insurance industry was able to use, is actually challenged through these different streams, and it will lead to situations where your digital offering needs to adopt and change and adapt quickly, and where you also need to do this at scale.